Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.
What's good? Welcome back. Today I'm doing a bunch of organizing. So I maybe like in the past month bought 2 new organizers. So the one that I bought, they're both rotating organizers. One is a little tray and the other one is a little more complex than that. I've just set it up, which I will show you in the next few clips. But yeah, I've just set that one up and then I'm going to fill it up with my perfumes and stuff. And because I've never done a perfume collection, I'm just kind of like going to tell you like the perfumes that I have at the moment. I'm not really going to get into it. If you do want an in-depth perfume collection video, I think some of you guys have actually asked about that. I'm just going to be telling you like what I have and what's my favorite and stuff like that, and then I'm going to be organizing them onto that tray. And then I also recently bought, well not recently, but I bought a little tray here that I did organize, but I think I'm going to reorganize it now because then I've like sort of moved things off, and yeah, I just kind of want to put the stuff that I actually use on a day-to-day and not just stuff that I thought would look nice on there. So yeah, let's get into it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let us chat in the comments. Yeah. With that said, let us get started. So this thing has a bunch of little pieces that when I did the haul, I actually figured out that a lot of these pieces were cracked, and because I was leaving the country, I couldn't now send them back to takealot and then have a replacement sent back. So I was just like, I'll just have to just use this. It looks usable. It's got 2 tiers. I guess this is for the bottom and then this is for the top. It's got the shelves. It's got these little things that you use to secure the shelves or whatever it is. I've forgotten how to do this, but I'm not even gonna watch a tutorial, or maybe I should watch a quick tutorial. I've watched a few tutorials, but now I've forgotten how they did it. And then this thing is the thing that they put in the middle. Like, anyway, we'll see how it looks. Okay, so this is the bottom piece. This is the rotating disc, I guess. Looks so fragile. Look at that. Broken. So I guess that goes at the bottom. This is the top piece. This is the top piece where like some of the top things at the top will go. So I don't know, maybe I can put lip gloss in this top piece. Maybe a few extra products here like foundation, concealer, lipstick, stuff like that. And then yeah, so this goes at the top. And this is sort of what you put in the middle, and then it'll kind of go like that. Okay, so these pieces at least are not broken. I need to actually watch a tutorial now to figure out how does this thing work. I think this goes here. Okay, so I think this goes here. That's possible. And then I would use these little things to secure them at the bottom, and then this sort of what? I threw away the box, but even the box didn't have any instructions. I really think this is supposed to go all the way down, but why doesn't it? I don't know how I did this, but I did it. The tutorial is a little unclear, but I don't know what I did. I saw her do it and I'm like, how come mine doesn't do that? And now I did it and I'm confused. I'm genuinely confused. I guess this is where the little elastic bands are coming in. Okay, one down. So many more to go. The tutorial looks like you're supposed to put all the little elastic bands. I'm glad I don't have nails, because I know I would not have been able to do this with the long nails that I usually do. Already my nail polish is chipping. This is humiliating. How am I supposed to be a bad bitch? This is what it looks like so far. Don't mind that, I actually don't even know what that is. This is what it looks like so far. And then I have this piece here, and then I have the shelves. Let's try to finish setting this up. So I'm guessing this goes into the little holes. More elastic bands.
Yeah, but how does one say that?
I don't know, you just have to. This is what we have going on. I have managed to set it up thus far. It was a little bit of a struggle because this thing did not come with instructions, and it also came really chipped, really broken, but enough to like set it up. And yeah, this is what it looks like for now. This is my nephew's boarding pass, and I just kept it because it was the first time. He's 7 months old and it was his first time being on a plane, so I just had to keep that. So yeah, let's set this up. So this is the stuff that I'm gonna have on the little display thing. I've got some foundation, got I think probably 2 bottles of foundation here. Yeah, got some foundation, got some nail polish. Let me just move the stuff that's not perfume out of the way so that I can give you like a proper tour of my perfume collection. It's a little messy little collection video, but yeah. Okay, what must we start with? All right, I'll start with this because I think it's the oldest thing here. So this is Vanderbilt by Gloria Vanderbilt. It's a really warm sort of, I guess, is it spicy, floral spicy? I don't really know what it is, but it's a little mature, so I don't wear it that much. I mean, I will wear it here and there. I remember saying I really like the bottle. I like the little swan thingy, but I also didn't really test it when I was buying. So this is a blind buy. I wear it sometimes, but it's really kind of mature, and yeah. And then I have my youngest or most childish fragrance or perfume. This is I Love Cherry Pop by Lintheric. I had actually initially gone into Clicks to buy I Love Berries perfume, and now I kind of regret it. I wish I had bought I Love Berries, but then I saw this and it was like, oh, limited edition. I got excited. It's really warm. It's very, very warm. It's very sweet, sugary, and it's so really young. Like, it's a burst of cherry, and it's really warm, and it's just not my vibe. I have worn it a few times, but after wearing it a few times, I realized that I actually didn't like it that much, and I might just give this to like maybe, I don't know, who would want to wear this? A 15-year-old. And then I have Poetic Embrace. This is from Clicks. This is probably my freshest perfume. It's super, super fresh. It's light. It's like fresh in a sweet way because I guess it's got like sort of sweet citrusy fruits in there. Another perfume that I don't wear that often. Yeah, it's really just super, super fresh, and I was wearing it a lot in the really hot weather, but at some point it started giving me a headache, so I just stopped wearing it. But it actually lasts quite a long time. I think maybe it lasts a long time because I don't like it that much. I also have Conquest Crown Ambition. This one is a really warm, sweet, sugary, fruity scent by Yardley. I really liked the bottle. It lasts so long. The projection is great. The lasting power is great. I just don't wear it that much unless I'm layering it. But then you don't really need to layer this because, girl, it's strong. But yeah, it's like red fruits and vanilla or something like that. It didn't say what red fruits. It just says that. Even on Google, I can't tell what it smells like. It kind of smells like berries, like a combination of different berries. I would say maybe strawberry, raspberry, mulberries when they're red, maybe even cherry in here. I don't know, I'm not sure. But yeah, just like the bottle, it's really cute. And yeah, I have these 2 minis, which are basically almost done. These are both perfumes from Cupid Dolls, and I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, they're from Cupid Dolls. And their online store doesn't actually sell perfumes, so yeah, but I really recommend Cupid Dolls if you have a Cupid Dolls in your City. We have like 2 cupid rolls in PE, I think. But yeah, this one is a dupe for Giorgio Armani C. It literally smells just like it. Just like it. It's basically done. They only had the 30ml bottles. And the last time that I went there, they were like, oh, we're getting the 90ml soon. But I ended up not going. But I should have. I really wish I did. Because these last all day. I'm not even kidding. They're highly, highly concentrated perfumes. That's how they're marketed. And it says, what, super concentrated perfume. And honestly, it is. And then you also have Mêlée de Crante. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but Mêlée de Crante. This one also a little goes a long way. That's why I've had these 30ml bottles for so long. This one is the dupe for Lady Million by Paco Rabanne. I really wish I had gone and bought more, but... And then I have my favorites over here that I use all the time, and these ones are like my big girl perfumes. So this one is Enchanté Blush. Well, as you can see, the bottle didn't make it. I was actually trying to, if you can see like the peeling, I was trying to wipe off the parts that were peeling, and I ended up wiping off the blush. Favorite? Is it my favorite? I'll say it's one of my favorite fragrances. It's amazing. It's super feminine, very sexy, very like just... You will get compliments on this. It's a very nice fragrance. It's like really packed with what's this, amber, jasmine, rose petals, that sort of scent. It's really, really nice. And then I have that I just bought in the past couple of months. Look at how quickly it's gone down. But then again, I also have sisters, and people just come in this room and they just spray stuff. This one is La Vie est Belle en Rose. Really, really nice, super fresh. It sort of reminds me of a longer lasting, sweeter, warmer version of Poetic Embrace, probably because of the bergamot, and some of the notes are similar in here. But this is very fruity, very fresh, but it's also really sweet, and the dry down can be very warm. Also just depending on your body chemistry, but I really, really love this stuff. I'm trying not to use it so quickly. And then I have another personal fave. This is the Burberry Her perfume. Amazing. I love this stuff with everything in me. I love this stuff. It's amazing. 10 out of 10. No, 8.5 out of 10, because the projection and lasting power is not that great, but you know, yeah, I have this. And then the last thing that I have is the Dolce & Gabbana, the only one. This stuff is warm, sexy, sweet. It's like caramel, coffee. I think there's a coffee note in here. I think there's a caramel note in here, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember. I think there's also like a few floral notes in here. I think there's violet or something. All I know is that this stuff smells absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. My 2 favorite fragrances at the moment are Dolce & Gabbana's The Only One and Enchanté Blush from Clicks. The different price points are obviously very different, but yeah, these 2 are my favorite, and sometimes I layer them on top of each other. They don't necessarily complement each other, but I know that I smell good when I wear them. And then these 2 that I'm also going to put on there, Pure Seduction Lace by Victoria's Secret and Charmed by Victoria's Secret as well. I don't know what I can say about this. As you can see, I haven't used much, and I actually bought this probably in like September or October. I have not used much of this. And then this I've used quite a lot. I actually have to go back and get a new bottle. I'm getting a few new Victoria's Secret fragrances very soon, well, just the body mists very soon. I know somebody who sells them, so I had just like asked her if she had any, but this is in Malawi. I don't know if she ships outside the country, but I know that if you are in South Africa, you can get Victoria's Secret on Takealot. And also if you just search small businesses, like search Victoria's Secret South Africa, and it'll probably come up. I've seen so many small businesses ever since I like started searching for this. Those ads always come up on my Instagram, and they're like maybe 250, 350, 400. I don't know if I can even say that's worth it, but it is what it is. So please ignore these things that I have on here. I've got some turmeric, I've got a few candles, I've got some glue, I've got some painkillers. Let's just ignore those. Let's just pretend that they're not there in the AC remote, because these are my 2 tallest fragrances. They will go right here in the front. I didn't put a shelf over here because I was already aware that there wasn't going to be any space. Put that there, and then yeah, Because these two are a little short, these can go here on under the shelf. Oh, what's going on? Did I not measure these? I barely ever reach for these, so it's not even really gonna be a problem. But for whenever my sisters want to come use them, they can just come and use that. And then over here, Vanderbilt and her, Burberry her. Oh, and that's a perfect fit. Oh, it's pleasing me and my homegirls. And then over here, I guess I can put the only one right here. Pure Seduction lace in front of it. Is that gonna fit? It doesn't fit. It does fit, but it's really, really tight. I don't know, I might decide to do something else. I can have the Goodnight Moon. The Goodnight Moon chest and neck sleep mask by Truly Beauty. I can put that there because I love using this on my body. I can put the minis in here as well. And we are done. This is how it looks, you guys. I'm really happy with how it's come out. I like that now I can just have my stuff on here. When I want to use them, I just come here and spray. And I'm actually really happy with how it's come out. Okay, and now I get to deal with this. This is basically how I set it up. If you follow me on TikTok, you might have already seen me do this. I really like the way that it looks already, but then there's certain things that I don't use on a day-to-day. Like, for example, I love vanilla Valentheric. Not that I don't like it anymore, I just don't use it as much, especially because I mainly use this vanilla lotion now by Nivea. So I might just move this and just put that there. That makes more sense because I use that every day. I'm just gonna move this to the drawer. I know this side already is messy. Just I'm gonna tidy that up eventually. So I can put that right there, and then this can go here, and then I'll have a little bit more space here at the front. These are like two of the hair products that I use almost every day, and maybe if I just put that there, I guess that would make a little bit more sense than just them being out and about. And then I can just put my baby oil there as well. I get to also just rotate it whenever I need to get something. I don't know, I don't really need to rotate it most times because I guess I already know where everything is. As you can see, I've got medicine. There's just a lot that needs to be done here. That's all not going to be part of this video. I even need to clean the mirror. I need to do a lot of things. I mainly just wanted to do the perfume tray. So yeah, now that I'm done with that, we are done with the video. So I'm done organizing, so this is the end of the video. If you made it this far, you're a real one. If you haven't already, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the girl. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!